Sparks here with my latest twins tutorial for you. This move comes out of a Zspin Variation that I've already done a tutorial on, so I'll link that down below. It looks like this. So that's the move we're coming out of. One hand is doing a reverse Z-spin, the other hand is doing a forward Z-spin. The reverse is led by the pinky finger, the forwards one is led by the thumb. And what we're going to do is have the thumb leading slightly in front. So that hoop is in front of the other one. Come up, twist, twist at the top, and come back down. Okay, so we're going to join this move to a skid move that was covered in my last tutorial, which I'll link below. You want to just practice that behind the back skid with your elbow out, and it's going to hit the back of your bicep and flip over, and you'll catch. Once you've got that, grab your other hoop. So we do one of these, and then we swing behind with the thumb leading hoop. It'll connect and flip over. Thumb leading hoop is in front of the pinky leading hoop, and we rotate through. In slow-mo, the whole thing. And in slow-mo, just the behind the back skid. And there you have it. That is our Z-spin skid twins move. If you got it and you love it, please do share it. Click subscribe below and switch on your notifications so you can hear about all the new tutorials that I am going to be throwing out at you over the next little while. Happy hooping!